2004 Ford Ranger. I got a code this morning that number 3 cylinder was misfiring, and when I opened up the hood, there was a huge squirrel nest which I got rid of. If you can see that over there, it's pretty big. Anyway, and then I noticed this little detail over here. The injector wire for the cylinder was chewed through. So I hope the shadow's kind of covering up what I wanted to show you, unfortunately. But you can see this. This is the injector. Oh, maybe you can see it. I don't know. Shit. All right. So that's the injector there, right there, and the wire to it is all chewed up. So, any ideas, or do you think I should just get a new injector, or you think it's possible to repair that? If you could let me know, I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.